Hey guys, so I went out yesterday for the first time in like forever because my stupid old man knees were preventing me from going anywhere. But today I am going back out again because I'm excited that I can use my legs again after like 6 months. And I figured I'd fly the drone because yesterday I tried to fly the drone and for some reason, my footage and my photos looked like mashed potatoes, and I think it's because I pushed the ISO too high. For anybody that doesn't know what ISO is, it just adjusts the lighting, and if you put it too high, your photo is going to be mashed potatoes and grainy and gross. So that's what I did, I think, because I'm used to pushing the ISO high on my cameras, but you can't do that on a drone. So, because it's such a small sensor and it's not built for that. So I need to really get in a different mindset when I do the drone stuff because it's not the same. Anyway, I'm gonna head out now and maybe do some crazy stuff with the drone. Again, it's just the beginning of me using the drone, so I don't really know what I'm doing yet, but I think it'll be a fun day. Alright, so I just made it to the spot where there's like these super cool trees spaced out along a road right there. And I flew the drone here. This is where I first tried out the drone, and it looked so cool. So I want to get some shots up in the air right now of that.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid.
Alright, got done with that location. I think the footage looked pretty good. I haven't really checked it out yet, but I'm sure you guys will be able to tell if it's bad or not. I gotta get some food. Specifically chicken nuggies. And then I'm off to the second location. Hey, do you guys still have the spicy chicken nuggets?
We do?
Do you have a 20 piece?
Yeah.
I'll get that. Thanks. You too. Chicken nuggies. Alright, so just got to White Lake. Took like an hour to get here, but I have some good ideas to fly the drone and do some stuff, so I'm gonna do that. So one reason why I love this lake so much at this time of the year is because there are blueberries all up in there. Cheers. There's just literally blueberries everywhere you look on this trail. It's like, there's another one. And then there's another one. I can't stop eating them. Oh. And there's another one. Like I've had enough sugar today, but blueberries is like healthy sugar, right? Not Red Bull sugar.